Does an actual physical firmament or a dome surround the earth? No, thank you. What about the atmosphere? Does that count as a dome? No, thank you. Okay. Is there another planet with people on it aside from Earth? With human people? Yes, thank you. Are good and evil objective universal forces? No, thank you. Okay, then is good and evil characterized or defined from the human perspective? Yes, thank you. What about a tree? Like, does a tree decide if something is good or evil? No, thank you. Interesting. Do higher dimensional beings view duality differently than humans? Or good versus evil? Higher dimension. Yes. Thank you. Is it true that there were two angels who landed on Babylon and spread black magic to humans? No, thank you. Do angels operate outside of the human concept of good versus evil? No, thank you. Do they operate inside the concept of good versus evil? Do angels exist outside of humanity? Yes, thank you. Do demons exist independently of mankind? No, thank you very much.